Here's the exciting part about AI. It levels the playing field. Small businesses don't need millions of dollars to compete with industry giants. They just need smarter strategies powered by AI. Imagine a local marketing firm using AI to predict customer behavior faster than a Fortune 500 company. Or a small retailer using AI to optimize inventory in real time while big chains are stuck with outdated spreadsheets. The key is focus. Pick one area where AI gives you the biggest edge and double down. Don't try to copy everything a giant does. That's a losing game. Use AI to innovate faster, adapt quicker, and make smarter decisions. Small businesses that embrace AI strategically aren't just surviving. They're outpacing companies with 10 times their budget. So if you're a small business owner thinking AI is too complex or expensive, think again. Smart use of AI can make you the David who outsmarts the Goliath every single time.